Mike's day. Mike is a retired police officer. He is 65 years old and lives in a small house with his wife, Sarah. Every day, Mike has a simple routine. He wakes up early, around 6 a.m., and makes coffee in the kitchen. He loves the smell of fresh coffee in the morning. Mike and Sarah sit at the table and drink their coffee together. After coffee, Mike goes outside for a walk. He walks around the neighborhood park. He enjoys watching the birds, looking at the trees, and saying hello to his neighbors. Mike likes to stay healthy, so he walks for about 30 minutes every day. At 8 a.m., Mike returns home and eats breakfast. He usually has toast, eggs, and orange juice. After breakfast, he reads the newspaper in the living room. He likes to stay informed about what is happening in the world. Sometimes, he reads stories about other police officers. It makes him remember his days at work. After reading, Mike likes to do small projects around the house. He fixes things, like old furniture or broken lights. Today, he fixes a squeaky door. He has a toolbox and knows how to use many tools. Mike enjoys working with his hands. It makes him feel useful. At noon, Mike has lunch with Sarah. Today, they eat sandwiches and soup. They talk about their day and make plans for the afternoon. Sarah wants to visit the local library. Southwest. Mike agrees to drive her there. He enjoys helping Sarah and spending time with her. After lunch, Mike drives Sarah to the library. While she looks at books, Mike sits in a chair and reads a magazine. He likes to read about history and sports. Sometimes, he talks to other people in the library. He is friendly and enjoys meeting new people. In the evening, Mike and Sarah return home. They make dinner together in the kitchen. Tonight, they cook pasta with vegetables. After dinner, they wash the dishes and watch a movie on TV. Mike likes action movies, but Sarah prefers comedies. Tonight, they watch a comedy and laugh together. Before bed, Mike walks outside to check on the house. He looks at the doors and windows to make sure they are locked. Even though he is retired, he still cares about safety. Finally, Mike goes to bed and sleeps well, ready for another simple, happy day tomorrow. Mike's days are quiet, but he enjoys them. He stays active, spends time with Sarah, and feels happy in his home. Being retired is nice for Mike. It is a peaceful life, and he feels lucky.